So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. As you can actually see right here, I made about $204 with CPA marketing just by using this simple trick right now. So do watch this video right here to the end, learn this exact same strategy, as this is actually a beginners friendly strategy, 100% free one, and you can actually do this right here from any location out there in the world. And without delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to make sure you do come onto a CPA marketing platform like CPAGrip. To go on to creating an account, you can click on register right here, fill out the form which will be shown, and actually create an account for absolutely free right now. So you want to just simply go on to login into your account right now. So as you can see, I'm logged into my account. I actually went on to this monetization tools and clicked on the URL file lockers right here. And for if I actually do that, I will be brought to this particular page. What you want to do right now is to actually click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, click on continue, and actually start creating a new URL file locker, of which you can actually do go on to editing this to your preference. But before we do go further, you want to leave this page open and head on to a very simple platform right now. And guys, this platform right here is actually called tubetv.com. And if you do head on to tubetv.com, this is a platform where you could actually go on to getting lots of cool and amazing movies that you could actually go on to streaming right now for absolutely free, or watching these movies for absolutely free right now. So do watch this video right here, as I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use this to actually make some money online. What you want to do right now is to actually come right here, hover around this browse section, and you want to click on most popular. And if you do click on most popular, it's actually going to show you the most popular movies right now. You can actually do see these are actually most of the most popular movies. If you do actually want to focus on one of these movies right now, maybe I want to just simply focus on this one right here, which is actually Merlin. I'm actually going to come right here on Google and actually do search for Merlin images. And if I do come right here on Merlin, search for Merlin images, I'm going to go into the image section right now, and I can actually do go on to downloading one of this image right here. Supposing I want to use this image right now guys, I can just simply go on to clicking on save image on my device. And if I do save this image on my device right here guys, the image will be saved successfully. I can then just simply move on to the next phase right now. And if I do go back to my Tubi TV right now, click on this particular section, as you can see, I can actually do go on to watching this movie and playing this movie right now, and I'll be able to watch this movie for absolutely free right here on this platform. So what you want to do is to actually copy the domain right now to this particular page. And if you do copy the domain to this page, you can just do head back to your URL file locker right now, which you were creating. I'm going to change the name right here to something like Merlin right now. So if I do change the name to this right here, I can actually do change this right now to something like complete an offer. And if I do change this right here to something like this, for this section right now, I can change this to maybe complete an offer below to continue. And if I do change it to something like this, in this locked URL section, you want to paste in the link to that particular Tubi TV page. You can then just simply come right here to show offers, and you want to just simply go on to changing this right here to the United States. If I do change that to the United States, you can actually do see the offers right here. What you want to do is to actually do go onto the bottom section and actually do go onto selecting the priority right now. And for the priority, you can actually select the pin first before the credit card or any of this priority right here, but make sure you do go to selecting a cool priority right now. So I do prefer maybe the pin first, then maybe this right here. And if I do select that, I can then just simply click on save, and my URL file locker right now will actually be created. If I do click on this right now, click on get link, I can copy the link to my URL file locker and try as much as possible to get traffic to that. But before you do get traffic to that, you want to just simply create a simple landing page. I'm actually going to be using this website right here called the Google site to do so. I'm going to click on this blank icon right now, and if I do click on this blank icon, I can then just simply wait for this to load successfully and delete this entire section right now. So if I delete that, I can then just simply add a text box and write out something cool. So if I do insert a text such as this, which says watch free online movie, and I put in Merlin, maybe I can actually increase this font size to something like 14. And once this is done, that image which we actually downloaded right there from online about that movie, I'm just going to go on to uploading that right here. And this is the image right now. If I do add in this image, I can then just simply centralize this so that it can actually look quite better. I can actually then go on to maybe expanding this to any how I want it right now. So if I do expand this like this, I'm just going to go on to centralizing this also. And once I'm done with that, I can then just simply come right here, click on embed. I want to embed that particular URL file locker right here. So I'm going to come right here, copy the link to my URL file locker, head back to Google Sites, paste in that particular link right in here. And you can see right here, the link is actually being embedded. If I do click on insert, that particular link will actually be embedded right here on this page. So you can actually do see how it looks like. To make this look better, I'm just going to go on to adjusting this right here. And if I do bring that to this section, you can actually do see how it looks right now. So once this is actually done, I can then just simply go on to clicking on publish. If I do click on publish right now, I'm just going to give it a simple name right now, something like Watch Merlin. And if I do put in something like this, as you can see, this page is actually open or acceptable. I can just simply click on publish, copy this link address, and actually do start driving traffic to this right now. And guys, the particular website which we're actually going to be using to drive traffic actually do get a lot of visits every single month. So take a look at this right here. It gets about 6.7 billion visits every single month. Why not just simply try out that right now? And if I do come right here to this country and geography targeting, you will find out that a higher percentage of its traffic comes from the United States. So in order to use that platform right here, the platform is actually called Instagram.com. So you want to just simply go to Instagram, create a simple Instagram account that focuses on this particular niche right now, which is actually the best movies or movies niche right there. And you want to make sure that the link to that particular your landing page link is actually in the bio of your account right here. And you can then just simply go on to inserting maybe movie clips, reels right now, get some movie clips, and actually do go on to uploading that on your page right here. You could also get from other movie pages right there, but make sure that you do actually give them credits for that particular movie right now or that particular video, because you are not the one that actually created that. You can actually do see right here that the reels actually do get a lot of engagement right now. You could use that to your advantage, get a lot of engagement right now, and for as many people that do come onto your page, click on that link, you are actually going to go on to making money if they do complete such offers. This is actually an amazing strategy that you can actually do use to make a lot of money online in the year 2023 and beyond. And I hope this video was helpful. If yes, make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. Also guys, before you leave, just simply check out the video which you can see right here on the screen to actually get through to another amazing strategy on how you can make money online with CPA marketing.